This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Skaff-Gregg. Must see inside to appreciate. The inside of this house has been totally remodeled with quality materials and true pride of ownership. It has an amazing floor plan. The dining room and kitchen have newer wood-style hand-scraped flooring and fresh paint. Both bedrooms are spacious and both have walk-in closets. The primary bedroom has a full updated bath. Conveniently located by the bedrooms is the laundry room with a stylish barn door and plenty of room for potential folding table or craft space. Full finished basement has family room with daylight windows and den that could be used as the occasional guest bedroom. The garage is 40 feet long, which can easily accommodate 2 cars. The home boasts a screened-in room off the dining area that overlooks the yard with wonderful landscaping, fence and in-ground sprinkler system. This townhouse is located in a fabulous Morningside neighborhood close to shopping and schools. For more information,